We have come through a really hot and dry summer. And I know we've heard lots of people talking about their grass and their soils, and they seem stressed out.
Very.
So this morning we have Isaac here with us from Spring Gardens Nursery. What are some steps I should take to nurture that soil and the grass?
Well, one of the first things that we can do is we can aerate. That's basically removing cores from the soil, and that'll improve water and air filtration, and it'll really help recover from the drought that we had this summer. It was brutal.
Yeah, it was. And our soil is compacted.
Right.
So what's another item that we've got here that we can
Well, we've got Humates Plus. This is a great product to revitalize the soil.
Okay.
And it's mostly carbon. So carbon is Mother Nature's sponge.
Oh.
It'll really help hold that moisture in there. It'll help revitalize the soil.
Okay.
And it helps root growth.
And it's easy to spread.
Very easy to spread.
Over all the lawn.
You can put it in a broadcast spreader and just spread it out. And then also in your beds, you can do like a broadcast spreader that you hold, and you just can distribute it out in the beds.
And this is safe.
Yes, very
around
safe.
Lawn and pets.
It's not going to burn.
Yeah.
It's a great product, and you can put it down heavy, and you can use this with another fertilizer, or you can use it as a standalone product.
Okay, so aerating, some Humates Plus,
Yes.
and then one of my favorites,
Yes.
Super Seaweed.
Super Seaweed, this is a great product. It's seaweed, it's got fish, molasses, it's got a lot of vitamins and minerals, everything that your lawn and landscape needs.
Looks like coffee.
Probably tastes a little better.
Yeah. All right, Isaac, we have gotten our aeration done, our Humates Plus, spread that around.
Right.
We've sprayed our seaweed, so our lawns and our soil should be a lot happier going into the fall.
Yeah, and you'll be able to notice a difference in about 30 days.
Wonderful. Good. Okay, well, thank you very much for the tips.
No problem.
And Spring Gardens Nursery with Isaac, thank you. And Home Show Garden Pros.